Hey guys, hope that you're having an amazing week. It's a relaxed Monday for us. We do find ways to keep ourselves busy on the weekends, so we try to relax on a Monday. Yeah, so I hope you're going to enjoy today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell all your family about the channel, and let's get into this video. Just wanted to show you guys this quickly. There's a man at... Hey, cat, get out of my chocolate. Hey! There's a man at church who makes these as his business. And yeah, he makes all kinds of rusks. I don't know if you guys know what a rusk is. If you're probably not African, you probably don't know what it is. It's like a cookie, and it's like hard, but it's like sweet. You can basically get them plain, or you can get them with fruit and nuts. And so he kind of plays with all kinds of rusks, all kinds of flours, and he makes chocolate ones too. So yesterday at home church, he blessed us with this packet. Sometimes he brings packets for everyone, but yesterday he just brought a packet and gave Amon and I. So I'm having chocolate for breakfast. This one is like a cookie. This one is a cookie and a marshmallow inside. The phone doesn't want to focus properly. Bella is begging for my chocolate. Nope. You ain't gonna have some. Chocolate is not good for dogs, so she's not gonna have some. I'm asking her to ask her father for plain biscuits. Just a plain cookie, Papa. No. Get off of me, Bella. What you eating? Get off of me. Come on, girl. Bella, no. What you want, girl? What you want? Say, Papa, please, can we have a plain cookie? And then she goes to attack the cat. Bella! Bella! Getting plain cookies from Papa. Yeah. It's dark. Can't see anything. They like nice things. When they want treats, even if you try to give them food, they don't care about food. Bella and Amon play rough, and then Bella loves Amon more than me. And when he goes, she remains whimpering, crying for him. Because we close her in the house, otherwise she follows. They look like twins. They are still begging for the bar. I can never get my roses, the pink ones and the red ones, ready at the same time. So now that the pink ones are dead, the pink ones open so fast, but they have a beautiful perfume. But now that they are dead, the red ones are only starting to open now. All this craziness to clean up. We're back to having no lights. Our solar system hasn't worked properly for a while now, but at least we can charge our phones. So what happens is it's dark in the night, so I do the dishes for the night in the morning. And there's our friends over here. Having a feast. They eat the whole time. And let me go see what Amon is doing outside. Oh! We've got Shushu here. and it's looking so good. A family that sells seedlings, where we buy seedlings, we go to church with them, and they gave us shushu, the fruit. It was shooting, what do you call? It was starting to shoot the leaves, showing that it's going to grow. And they gave us some to plant, and we have planted it here, and it's coming out. It's doing well. It's a vine plant, so it's going to trellis on the fence. There's some in there. Are you sitting down to sort out your seeds? You're planting sunflowers too? Oh. That is the sunflower seed. I can see it from outside the packet. Yeah. Are my eyes sharp or my eyes sharp? What are you looking for? He's not talking to me.
Yeah?
It goes like this a lot. I have conversations by myself.
What do you mean a lot?
I don't know how many times I'll be talking and you don't respond, and I carry on talking. He was looking for yellow maize seed. Now he finally talks. He talked off camera what he was looking for. This is the seed that the granny gave us. So are you planting
Yeah.
only this?
No. I'm mixing it with this.
With the purple one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Oh, the regular one. You're mixing it with the regular maize.
I'm mixing with this.
Oh, okay. Nice. I kind of like this more than, like, I like how it's like in neat, it's in neat rows of my shadow. But check out this one. I'm trying to show the difference between that one. Oh, sorry, I know you're waking. He's waking and I'm playing. I'm also waking.
Yeah, it's like
Huh?
you're also working.
I work in different departments. Anyways, so Amon is gonna plant here. I'm going to the house to go clean. Goodbye. I injured myself
Yeah.
with the thorn thing from the, what do you call, the raspberry plant.
Wow.
I tripped on it. There's a lady at our home church who's been such a blessing to the kids. Every now and then she's come with colored pencils, she's bought paint brushes. Whenever she's like out shopping or she's out of the country, she's thinking about our kids. She brings me sometimes like things that I can use for crafting as well. And yesterday she blessed us with a second ball. We need to find to get a pump for the balls, because actually this is perfect, because this one has lost air. Has lost air. Check this. It's just an issue that we need to get a pump, but until we get the pump, the timing was perfect. That she gave us this one, because every week the kids are like, can we borrow a pump? And we're like, we don't have a pump. Amon was just telling me that he found out our neighbors have got a pump, but the pin that can get into the ball and pump it, they don't have. I wasn't exaggerating. I really hurt myself. A humble Kapulu lunch. I don't know why we refer to ourselves by the name, but why not just a humble lunch? Humble Kapulu lunch. Bread, eggs, soup, more bread. These naughty little chicks. I've been watching this one and the big white one. Ah, back, look at her. Back up, Sissy. Back. Back up, Wana. Back. I'm watching her and she's watching the chicks and she's licking her lips. Hey, back. She's like seriously licking her lips. You're gonna run into the mouth of the lion. Hey, Wana! Stop it. Wana. Yeah, I thought so. Come here, chicky girl. Hey, check out this chick. You, I'm trying to save your life here. Work with me. Gosh. Wana, back up. Back, Wana. Back, Bella. Come on, chickie. Hey. Ah! Hey! Stop! This chicken though. Bella, where do you know hunting chicks from? You know what? I need you to catch the chick while I watch the dogs. Tag team. And that was so quick. Why couldn't I do that?